Today we're moving a heavy transformer. We're grossing about 924,000 pounds. We're 21 feet wide, 290 feet long. We're coming from Beyel, Florida to Mims, Florida. So we had to move it on a double drop 16 line K-Mag, bring it down to this field, rent this field, and then transload it into our TK trailer because we needed over 300 feet of room somewhere to transload and put the transformer into this trailer. We're using a TK 500 perimeter deck. The reason we're using the perimeter deck, we have to get it low enough to get under bridges. There's 350 wires will have to be raised or moved to get down there. 2 months ago, we started preparing permits, getting the proper documents ready with the DOT. We had to lay out 200 plastic mats in this field to have a good foundation to set up to put this trailer together. Several trips back and forth measuring wires and street lights and raising wires and street lights. We got a 20-some-year plus veteran crew. We got the Florida Highway Patrol backing us all the way down. So we're ready to roll.